Hello, children. Welcome to our 4's and our multiplication times tables. We're going to get started. What is 4 times 1? Can you remember? 4. And what's 4 times 2? 8. 4 times 3? 12. 4 times 4? 16. 4 times 5? 20. 4 times 6? 24. 4 times 7? 28. 4 times 8? 32. 4 times 9? 36. 4 times 10? 40. 4 times 11? 44. And last but not least, what's 4 times 12? 48. Good job, children. Y'all did wonderful. See you next time.